Hey guys, so if you're like me, my Cricut machine broke, and so I'm like, what am I gonna do now? You got your Starbucks cups, you got your regular cups, you got your tumblers, and your machine's broken, or you don't have one. Save you 300, 400 bucks right now. All you have to do is write it with the pencil, or with the marker, or with the pen, whatever works for you. So you got your surface. Do your little alignments, if you want to use a ruler so it can be even and it can guide you. Get the pencil, write out your letters, your little flowers, whatever it is you want to, bedazzle on your cup. This is when, doodling in class and not paying attention comes in handy. So, just if you do it wrong, just erase it, that's what the eraser's for. And then, so I did a little heart, just wrote my name, Kim. So yeah, and now I'm gonna go over it with the Sharpie. That's optional. I mean, that's just something I want to do so I can see the letters better. Or if not, just leave it the pencil and that's it. So, did that. I did a little better how I wanted it. I decided to not go with the big circle at the end. Instead of, I just put the heart on top of the eye. And then that's it. All you have to do is that. Clean it up a little bit with some alcohol so it can look better. And then I'm ready to bedazzle. Put the glue on, go over the letters. This, just writing my name with a pencil marker, bedazzling took me less than 10 minutes. So, yeah, save you some money, save you some time. If you just don't want to waste money on a Cricut machine, this is all you have to do. Really easy versus really simple. So yeah, and that's all. Hope you enjoyed. So yeah, I'm just about done. I'm on the last letter. This is really quick, easy hack. Try it out. I suggest it. It can save you a lot of money and a lot of time. And it comes out exactly the same like if you would have done it with the vinyl. And these are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.